was that? That was crazy. Did you see him? He was going 100 miles an hour. Did you see him, Dink Doodle? Where did he go? Oh my goodness, he scared Mom. I've never seen you girls jump up so fast in my life. Where could he be? Where is he? Are they under there? Where are they? Show Mama. Where did they go? That was a big one. Did you see him, Dink? Where is he? Show Mom. Is he in it? Oh, you must smell him, huh? I don't want you to kill him, though. That kind of freaks me out when you kill him. Don't kill him. Oh, where is he? Where did they go? Where are they? Oh, it's kind of hot out here, girls. Man, Mommy's feet are burning. Yeah, let's try to get him to come over here. Oh, what's this? Oh. Where is he? Show Mama. I think she smells them. Coconut smells them out. Little one doesn't. Coconut smells them out, and then when she finds them, the little one will capture them by the tail, and their tail will typically break off and they'll get away. I don't think she's killed any this year. No, she did kill one. Yeah, it was gross. Okay. Do you see them? Where are they? Where are they? Oh. That's a Mommy look. I don't see them. Where are they? Do you see them, Dink? Here, I'll move it. Do you see any of them? Here, let me put this down. Oh, is you okay, baby doll? Oh, your poor little head. Here, watch out. Should I lift it up? Ah! All right, Dink, come here. Get out, because you're going to get stuck. Watch out.